How to delete subscriptions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. Over here, go to Subscriptions as shown. On this page, you can view your subscriptions and manage your payment details, plan upgrades, renewals and many more. Click on a subscription to view its details. If you want to cancel a subscription, then you can cancel it from here. You will also find other subscription suggestions below. For example, Apple One. Following these steps, you can easily delete subscriptions on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.